case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1998, the case of Bethel v. New York City Transit Authority gripped the attention of legal circles. At stake was the notion of responsibility, specifically whether or not common carriers, such as bus and train operators, were required to exercise the highest level of care towards their passengers' safety, or if the requirements of reasonable care, commonly applied to potential tortfeasors, were sufficient. The root of the lawsuit was an unfortunate incident wherein a passenger was injured due to a seat collapsing on a bus. Claiming negligence on part of the transit authority, the passenger initiated a case seeking justice. The jury sided with the passenger, placing weight on the principle of constructive notice. Their decision was upheld by the Appellate Division, who also acknowledged the responsibility of common carriers towards their passengers' safety. Historically, common carriers have operated under an obligation to prioritize the safety of their passengers. Yet, the court recognized that over time, New York had limited this rule's application only to situations presenting a specific imminent danger to life. The highest duty of care was found not to span across every circumstance, particularly those associated with the behavior of the carrier's employees or ingress and egress facilities. The court challenged the conventional understanding of care levels for common carriers, arguing that there should not exist a legal stratification. Instead, the degrees of care should vary according to individual case facts, aligning it with the standard of negligence which prioritizes reasonable care under the given circumstances. Through this lens, the transit authority was found to be subject to this standard of reasonable care under all circumstances, thereby shaking off the shackle of the archaic Kelly rule. Recognizing that the jury had been wrongly guided on the defendant's duty of care, the court reversed the original decision. The case commenced for a new trial, with the groundbreaking ruling that the transit authority, like all other potential tortfeasors, was responsible for providing reasonable care under all circumstances, not the highest form of care.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.